This is a quick video on business planning for cleaning services, and this will apply to commercial cleaning services, janitorial, and commercial carpet and tile specialty services. And on our website, we have these three tools that are a free resource for cleaning services to access. And this is all about business planning, and the three main topics that we cover are a business plan, a marketing plan, and then a simple 6 step commercial sales plan. So I just want to go through real quick the different tools and how they can help your business. And the business plan is pretty comprehensive. This is 7,000 words, and this covers a whole business plan. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to go through the whole business plan. Everyone's at different situations, so some of these topics you can narrow down, and you might even want to narrow it down to a simple 1 or 2 page if that's what applies to you. So in this business plan, this is pretty comprehensive, and we cover all the subjects. So that's what the business plan part is. Then we have a marketing plan, which starts with the structure. This is our marketing plan. Create one, two, three. You can even have 4 or 5 different strategies. Uh, you can target property managers, medical buildings, whoever you're trying to target, or a geographic area. And then some of the tactics that go under the strategy. And this is pretty comprehensive too, the marketing plan, because this covers your whole market plan. And we start with the target market worksheet. Who do I want to target? How far do I want to drive? How big are the buildings? These are basic questions that we would all want to answer to help narrow down. So this is the marketing plan section. And then the last one is the sales plan. And this is just a really simple 6 step process. And we have YouTube videos that go along with each of these resources. And we're just, with the sales plan, this is more of a really quick thing that anybody can do in probably 15 or 20 minutes. Uh, and that's, what's our objective? Are you trying to add 50,000 a year? Are you trying to add 1 million? What resources do you have? How many hours can you put into this? Targeting is also a big topic. What services did you want to sell to those targets? And then, of course, the activity log. So this is more of a one-page, simple, uh, monthly thing that anybody can do. So this video was just a quick video to go over some of our business planning tools we have on our website. You can go in the description of this video on YouTube. I have the 3 links to access these resources. You can also visit our website at methodcleanbiz.com.